If you want to create a polished album page on Squarespace that feels clean, modern, and easy for visitors to browse, this tutorial is going to walk you through the full setup step by step. We'll build a dedicated albums page, add your music tracks, and then style the layout so it looks more like a professional streaming or track list page instead of a regular blog. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and website tutorials. First, go to your Squarespace home menu and click Pages. This is where you manage every section of your site, including your main navigation and any hidden pages you want to create for specific content. Now, click the plus icon next to main navigation. This is the fastest way to add a new page to your primary menu. From the page type options, select Blog. Squarespace uses the blog format here because it gives you a flexible structure for listing individual album posts or music entries. Once the blog page is created, choose a clean layout that features large images. This matters because album pages work best when the visuals are bold and simple. You want the artwork or cover image to stand out right away and make the page feel intentional. Next, name the new page Music or Albums, depending on how you want to organize your site. If you're building a full discography or music library, Albums is usually the best choice. If you want a broader page that includes singles, mixes, or audio releases, Music may be the better option. After that, click the gear icon next to the new page. This opens the page settings where you can customize the URL and make the page easier to find. Change the URL slug to either /albums or /music, then click Save. Using a simple, clean slug helps keep your site structure easy to understand and more user-friendly. Now that the page is created, go into one of your album posts. Click Edit in the top left corner to open the Fluid Engine canvas. This is where you'll build out the content for the individual album entry. Inside the editor, click Add Block and select Audio. The audio block is what lets you embed your music file directly on the page, so visitors can listen without leaving your site. After adding the block, click the pencil icon on the audio block to open its settings. Go to the Content tab and upload your track in MP3 or M4A format. Make sure your file is properly named and ready to go before you upload it, because this will be the actual audio that plays for your visitors. Once the file is uploaded, move over to the Design tab in the audio block settings. Here, choose the minimal player style. This is a really important design choice because the minimal player keeps the layout sleek and clean. Instead of looking like a giant podcast player, it will feel more like a modern track list that fits naturally into an album page. If you want the page to feel even more polished, keep your layout simple and let the artwork and audio do most of the work. A clean presentation always makes music pages look more professional, especially on mobile devices where space is limited. Now go back to your main /albums page and click Edit. This is where you'll shape the overall look of the album listing page so it feels organized and easy to browse. Hover over the grid and click the pencil icon to edit the section. In the section settings, set the layout style to basic grid or masonry. Both of these layouts work really well for album pages because they create a visual grid that resembles a streaming platform or a music catalog. Basic grid is great if you want a neat, uniform look. Masonry works well if your cover images vary in size or shape and you want something a little more dynamic. Either way, the goal is to make the page feel like a curated collection of releases. At this point, you can add more album posts, update the cover art, and refine the page until it matches your brand. If you want a really strong album page, keep the typography consistent, use high-quality artwork, and avoid overcrowding the layout with too much text. And that's it. You've now created an album page on Squarespace, added your audio content, and styled the layout to feel clean and professional. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.